Welcome to the top best. The best S21 Ultra Charger is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra owner, ensuring your powerful device stays charged and ready for action, whether you're a heavy user, a mobile gamer, or simply someone who relies on their phone throughout the day for work and communication. Without the right charger, you risk frustratingly slow charging speeds or even potential damage to your expensive smartphone's battery, making the selection process a vital step in maintaining your device's performance and longevity. Number 5. 30W USB-C Fast Charger and Cable Kit. Experience lightning fast charging with our 30W PD 3.0 technology. It powers up your devices from 0 to 100% in about an hour, significantly faster than standard chargers. This charger is designed to quickly power up a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models. Save precious time with its rapid charging capabilities. Included is a 6.6-foot USB-C cable, perfect for fast charging and data transfer. Its generous length provides flexibility for use at home, in the car, or while traveling. Enjoy broad compatibility with most USB-C devices. Whether it's your iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel, or LG phone, this charger and cable kit has you covered. Our charger is built to meet strict safety standards, protecting against overloads, short circuits, and overheating. You can charge your devices with confidence. This package includes two 30W PD USB-C charging blocks and two 6.6-foot fast-charging USB-C cables. We're here to assist you 24/7 if you have any questions. What we like. This charger offers a robust 30W PD 3.0 output, ensuring your devices power up quickly. It also comes with a generous 6.6 feet USB-C cable, providing extra reach. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution that gets your phone from 0 to 100% in about an hour, this is a great choice. What people say. Long and functional cord. Connects and works just as it should. Charger is just as expected, long cord and quick charge. It works. I like the blue. It's 15 feet long, so getting it around is handy as you are not near an outlet. Number 4. USB-C Fast Charger and Cable Set. Introducing a versatile fast charging solution designed for a wide range of Samsung Galaxy devices and more. It ensures your phone gets the power it needs, quickly and efficiently. Experience charging speeds up to 75% faster than standard chargers. It can power your device from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, keeping you connected longer. This car charger features two ports, allowing you to charge two devices simultaneously at full speed. Keep both your primary and secondary devices powered up on the go. Built with advanced safety protections, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit prevention. It intelligently detects your device to provide the fastest, safest charge possible. The included 6-foot USB Type-C cable is built for durability with a strong braided nylon jacket. Enjoy fast charging and high-speed data transfer with the freedom to use your device comfortably while it charges. Stop waiting for your phone to charge. This fast charging set is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, ensuring you're always ready for what's next. What we like. This option is a versatile charger set, featuring Quick Charge 3.0 for rapid charging and a dual-port car adapter for on-the-go convenience. If you need to charge multiple devices simultaneously, especially in your car, and want a significant speed boost over standard chargers, this set is ideal. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It supports fast charging, which significantly reduces charging time for my S21 Ultra. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 3. Anker 45W USB-C Charger. Experience incredibly fast charging speeds with this 45W charger. It's designed to power up your compatible Samsung devices to full capacity in under an hour, so you're always ready. Charge with confidence thanks to its 10 safety enhancements, including short-circuit and high-voltage protection. It ensures a secure and worry-free experience for your devices. This charger is significantly smaller than standard 45W chargers, making it incredibly portable. Its foldable design is perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Powered by cutting-edge gallium nitride technology, it offers improved energy efficiency and heat dissipation. This allows for a smaller, safer charger without compromising on power. Your purchase includes the charger, a welcome guide, and an 18-month warranty. Please note that a charging cable is required for super fast charging 2.0 and is sold separately. What we like. This charger boasts a powerful 45W output with super fast charging 2.0 support, capable of fully charging compatible Samsung devices in under an hour. Its compact and foldable design, powered by GaN technology, makes it incredibly portable. If you prioritize speed and portability for your high-end Samsung devices, this is the charger for you. What people say. It charges my devices very fast and doesn't overheat. The build quality feels solid, and the foldable plug makes it easy to carry in a bag. With 45W output, this charger is capable of super fast charging 2.0 for devices like the Galaxy S21 Ultra and providing fast charging for iPhone 17, 16 and more series, making it a great all-in-one solution. This 45W Anker PD certified charging block is reliable, fast, and safe. I get from 15% to 80%, my battery cap for maximizing battery health, in around 35 minutes. Number 2. Phone 17, 16, 15 series fast charger. Introducing the new charger designed for your phone 17, 16, and 15 series. Get ready for incredibly fast charging speeds. With 20W PD 3.0 fast charging technology, it delivers a powerful output. You can charge your device up to 57% in just 30 minutes. This charger is specifically designed for the newest phone 17, 16, and 15 series. Enjoy seamless compatibility with your latest devices. The included 10-foot USB-C cable offers extended reach. Charge your devices from a comfortable distance, making life more convenient. Your device's safety is paramount. This charger features intelligent circuit design to protect against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. This package includes two 10-foot USB-C cables and two 20W charging blocks. It's everything you need for a complete fast charging experience. What we like. This charger provides 20W PD 3.0 fast charging, designed specifically for the latest phone 15, 16, and 17 series, getting them to 50 to 57% in just 30 minutes. It also includes an extra-long 10-feet USB-C cable for maximum flexibility. If you own one of these newer phone models and value extended reach while charging, this package is a perfect fit. What people say. These work great with all my Apple products, devices charge rapidly and they are a very economical option. Like the extra long cord as well. Charges fast. A great extra pair to throw in a suitcase, backpack, suitcase or car so that you aren't caught without. The cords are long enough to use in a room that has few outlets and they fit good and tight to box and phone. Number 1. MAILESI 25W Fast Charging USB-C Kit. Experience lightning fast charging with our new 25W USB-C charger. Power up your devices to 80% in just 30 minutes, saving you valuable time. This charger is designed for a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models. It's the perfect solution for all your Type-C needs. Our kit includes both 10 feet and 6 feet USB-C cables, offering you the flexibility to charge comfortably from your bed, desk, or car. Rest assured with our ETL certified charger, featuring advanced safety systems like overvoltage protection. It intelligently adjusts current for a stable and secure charge. Get everything you need with two 25W chargers and two long USB-C cables. Plus, enjoy an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. Stop waiting for your devices to charge. Our 25W PD 3.0 technology ensures a full charge in about an hour, significantly faster than standard adapters. What we like. This charger delivers 25W super fast charging, capable of reaching 80% in 30 minutes and a full charge in an hour. It comes with both a 10 feet and a 6 feet USB-C cable, offering great flexibility for various charging scenarios. If you're looking for a safe, versatile charging solution with extended cable options for a wide range of Type-C devices, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It supports fast charging, which significantly reduces the charging time for my S21 Ultra. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.